Hi guys, welcome to the fifth part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 29. So in this, what we have is customer purchase gap. So this is the basic heading. So let's see the problem statement. So the chef is analyzing customer buying behavior to improve long-term customer relationship and engagement. Now, he wants to measure the largest gap in days between two consecutive purchases by each customer. So I bought something today and I bought something after 5 days. So what is the gap? It is the 4 days. We have a 4 days gap. So we have to, what the chef wants to do is basically measure the largest gap. So who has the largest gap, who is not buying. So this he has to measure the largest gap in days between orders made by customers. Now the task is compare each order with the previous order of the same customer. Calculate the gap in days between two consecutive purchases. Find the maximum purchase gap. Result sort it in the descending order of the largest gap first, and then return only the first row. If the two are colliding, if 2% people have the same gap, then we return both of them in ascending order of their name. Alright, so let's see the query. So select customer ID and name. Now, what is this max Julian day? So this Julian day is basically, it converts this day into numerical form and then it is easy to subtract. So we need difference in days, no? So first is order date, current order date, followed by the previous order date, this Julian day. What does this give? If the current order date, it gives a numerical value for that and then gives a numerical value for the previous order date and subtract. So then we get the gap between 2 days. Simple. We get the exact gap, by the way, from select customer ID, customer name and order date. These three things, LAG. So what is LAG? Basically, it gives the previous order. Simple. We had discussed in the previous weekend as well. It gives the previous order date. Here we have ordered. So previous order date, partition by customer ID. So we have to partition by, we have to find it out for each customer. Then order it by customer date, the order date, sorry. What date that has been ordered as previous order date. This one is the previous order date. Now, from customers table, join orders table based on customer ID as a primary key. Now gap. So this gap is basically a temporary table where all this is stored, where previous order date is not null. The previous order date is not empty. This is not his first order. Group by customer ID and name. Customer ID and name. Order it by max gap days. This is the descending order. If both are the same, then we choose name. That is the name in the ascending order. Let me submit it. I hope you have understood this. So yeah. You can see customer ID 5, that is Ajay, has maximum gap date, that is 91 days. He ordered after 3 months of purchase. The number of days of gap, days between two consecutive orders is 91 days. Similarly, the lowest one is Abhay. He ordered today and then again day after tomorrow. So just 2 days gap, he has ordered again. So this is what the list shows. You can see these two people, Ankit and Bob, both have ordered, the gap is 36 days. But why does Ankit come first? Is because of this. We gave the order by the second feature as name in the ascending order because Ankit comes before Bob, A comes before B, Ankit is ordered first. Simple. So let me submit the program. It is already submitted. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.